Hello everyone. Our today's topic is VSEPR theory. Valence shell, electron pair, repulsion theory. As we know that Lewis theory does not explain the shape of given molecule. That's why this theory arises. This theory explains shape of molecule in detail. About this theory, we have some postulate of this theory. According to this theory, any molecule which possesses lone pair on the central atom and then it possesses different type of geometry than our expectation. And how this is possible? This we will discuss in VSEPR theory. So its postulate is first one. The shape of molecule is depend on the number of electron pair present around the central atom in a given molecule in two forms. First one is a bonding electron pair, means electron which are bonded. Another one is lone pair or unsaid pair of electron, or we can say non-bonding electron pair. These electron pairs bonding as well as non-bonding decide the shape of molecule. Second postulate is between two lone pairs or bonding pairs, or lone pair or bonding pairs, means between two electron pairs they always repel each other because of they possess same electronic charge, and therefore all the electron pairs repel one another. Next point is, if molecule in which bonding and non-bonding electron pair arrange in the space in a such a way that it feel minimum repulsion between them. If multiple bond, means double or triple bond, is found between two atoms in a given molecule, then according to this theory, double bond or triple means multiple bond treated as considered as single bond, right? So the shape of molecule is depend upon the number of valence shell electron pair around the central atom. Next point is pair of electrons in the valence shell repel one another because of same electronic charge. Third one, these pair of electrons are arranged in the space in a such a way that it feel repulsion or minimum repulsion between them. If multiple bond or double or triple bond is found, then they are considered as single covalent bond. When two or more than two type of resonance structure can be represent a given molecule, then this VSEPR theory applicable to any structures. So when two or more resonance structures can be represent a molecule, then VSEPR is applicable to any such type of structures. The repulsion force between two electron pairs are as follows, means they follow this type of order. The repulsion between two lone pair and lone pair will be maximum as compared to lone pair and bond pair. And lone pair and bond pair generate more repulsion force in respect to bond pair and bond pair. So in the case of molecule in which electron pair arrange as a bond pair, then it associate or participate in chemical bonding. Therefore, its energy is less. They are bound. But in the case of non-bonding electron pairs, which is known as lone pair, which present on the central atom of a given molecule, produce more repulsion. Why? Because of that, they occupy more space. Because they occupy more space around the central atom, and therefore it possesses more energy. So the repulsion between two lone pair is maximum as compared to bond pair. So this is about postulate of VSEPR theory, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. In our next video, we will discuss two type of molecules. First one, the molecule in which central atom does not contain any type of lone pair. So its shape will be different. And the next category is the molecule in which central atom contain one or more than one type of lone pair, then its geometry or shape will be different or distorted from original one. So we will discuss in next video in the terms of VSEPR theory, its next part. So this is about postulate of VSEPR theory. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share this video as much as possible. And you have any doubt about this topic, please write in comment section. Thank you for watching my video.